The EU is introducing new rules which will dramatically impact how companies collect, store and use data. It's called the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. Coming into effect on May the 25th, it applies to any company that collects personal data of EU citizens. So what will change for customers? Instead of fine print and legal jargon, companies will have to post clear notices and get unambiguous consent to collect personal information. That includes credit card numbers, travel records, and even biometric data from wearable fitness monitors. And these rules don't just apply to social networking sites and search engines. It affects schools, property management companies, and even scout groups. If there's a breach, companies with more than 250 employees need to notify authorities within 72 hours and alert customers. So situations like Uber's attempts to cover up its 2016 data hack will now be punishable with huge fines. Just how huge? Up to $24.8 million, or 4% of global annual revenue. For a company with worldwide sales of $100 billion, that could mean penalties of $4 billion in certain circumstances. That's a pretty good incentive to comply, and firms are scrambling to make sure they'll meet the deadline.